So this program is used, it is used to explain the logical instruction. So one of the logical instruction I have taken is the AND instruction. So here AND operation is performed similar to in 8086 bitwise operation. So the 32-bit data available will be ANDed with another 32-bit data bitwise. So here if you just see the first instruction, I am loading the two operands. So the immediate value 83 is copied to R0, and then content of R0 is copied to R1. Alright, so here if you just see here, this is the AND instruction. So this AND instruction, it is a two operand instruction. So already we have loaded R1 with 83. So this would be ANDed with F0. F0, actually this instruction performs the masking. So 83 ANDed with F0. So then if you just look at the next instruction, so here the result after ANDing will be available in R1. So the result R1 obtained would be copied to R2. So if you just look at the values here, it is 83 and F0. So 0 ANDed with 3. Obviously, the result would be 80. So this value which is available in R1 will be available in R2. Now the contents of R2 is left shift right by 2. So you all know what left shift right does. So left shift right will divide the number, okay, by 2 by if you are performing 1 bit. Similarly, if you are performing by 2, then it will divide by 4. So after left shift, the result would be available in R2 register. So the next instruction R0, again whatever is loaded will be copied to R3, and the contents of R3 will be ANDed with 0F. Now what the 0F instruction will do, again it is masking. So here after execution of this instruction, R3 will have a value 3. So we can observe the output now. So I'll just debug it. So you can observe value here. So 83 is loaded in R0. Then so after ANDed with F0, the R1 will have value 80, and R2, since I told it is divide by 4. So the result is divided by 4, you get 20 here. So R2 is loaded with 20, and then R3 the initial value is 83, which is ANDed with 0F. So it is nothing but masking. So the result obtained after the performing the AND operation, which is bitwise operation, you would get the value 3. So R3 will have the value 3. Okay, so after executing this AND operation, you can also observe the current program status registers. So the current program status registers are not affected after execution of this instruction.